Can you guys see this? 2, 3, 4, 5, wow. I love how fast this stone works. Wow. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I recently bought this IKEA knife and I've already made a first impressions video on it. The link is in the description if you want to see the entire background on this series of knives. I go into detail about how the knives are and how how much they weigh and everything. We also cut some vegetables and that's a very detailed video. So go check it out if you want to see more about how the knife is. Today we are going to sharpen the knife. I'm very excited to sharpen this because, I was honestly surprised when I stropped it. Just from stropping it for 20 or 30 seconds, I already got a hair whittling edge out of hair whittling edge. After that, I was really excited to see how the steel sharpens and how it feels to sharpen it on a stone. We'll be using two stones today. First one is this Sharpal 169H and the other one is Spyderco Medium. In the Sharpal stone, I'll only really be using the 600 grit side. Absolutely love both the stones. I really can't decide which one I like more. I love both so much. This is bad. And that should have taken care of it. Let's see how this will look after we finish sharpening the knife. Here we go. See how long this is going to take us. It feels nice. I like how the stone feels when by using when I'm using Windex on it compared to a fully dry stone. Okay, we have a very significant burr. Till here we have a very nice burr. Just the edge should be worked on. There's I love how fast the stone works, Yep, that took care of it. Let's try to flip the burr knife. I'll go this way instead of like this because my camera is really close to the my left hand. Okay, I'll just try. I hope I'll not bump into the camera. Look at the amount of material we're removing. I hope you guys can hear how aggressive it sounds. Okay, let's see how it looks first. Looks good. Oh wow, we have a lot of many pieces of bulb that have broken off from the knife. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's many pieces actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, there's a lot of them. Okay, let's try to minimize the burr. Ooh, wow. Can you guys see this? We have a lot of burr that's breaking off. I'm happy to see that. I have too many burr fragments actually. Wow. I don't want them to mess up the knife's edge. There's actually many burr fragments. Okay, looking good now. Let's see if it cuts newspaper. My hand is wet. The edge has a nice bite right now. It's not super duper sharp, but it's biting into the skin. I don't know if there's one layer of paper or two. The paper is so thin that I can't understand if there's two layers of paper or one layer of paper in it. Okay. Understood. Okay, not a bad edge. I'll move to the Spyderco stone now. I've been using it from years now, so I have some good amount of experience with it. The only complaint I have is, if it was instead of 8x2, if it was 8x3, that would have probably be really amazing. I wish it was 8x3 instead of 8x2, the current size. You can use a lot of force on this stone, nothing is, you're never gonna damage the stone by using force on it. That's really